Right, so basically I have this unidentified piston engine. A couple of trash weeks ago, I got a riding mower off the side of the road. Engine didn't work, so I just took it apart. I believe it was an 11 horsepower, probably a Briggs and Stratton, but who knows. And I never got rid of most of the parts, so Ryan here, he wants to take all the parts I had sitting around and make it run. If he had just told me that a year ago before I took it apart. Anyway, so we got the head and the spark plug. He found the starter motor, which should be 12 volts. The ignition coil, which looks disgusting and rusted, but might work. The flying wheel. No head bolts, so we're gonna have to improvise. No head gasket, so he's gonna use aluminum foil. I'd like to see how that works. Oh yeah, and we got no carburetor. I mean, I got a million carburetors, but I don't know which one's the original. So either we'll just spray brake clean straight into the intake, or we'll fabricate something to get one of my other carburetors. Or perhaps we'll just find the original one. So the Tecumseh engine that we blew up recently has the same size head bolts as this thing, conveniently. So we're gonna use those as head bolts. So here, like an hour later, we have all of those parts assembled. Okay, testing the starter motor. We are installing compression liquid. So now that there's actual hope in the fact that the engine might run, we're installing some Valvoline 5W20 because that's what I had sitting around. And he already spilled it everywhere. So now we're also adding 530 because we ran out of 520. So it's the next day, and I made a mounting system with this thing I bought at Runnings, and I mounted it here. This way it's facing crankshaft down, which is how it was designed to run, and that might make the lubrication systems work a bit better. But also this will just keep it stable. Well, right now we're working on finding some actual bolts for the starter motor so it doesn't flap around when we're trying to use it. And then pretty soon I want to try to find a carburetor. So here we are, I don't even know, like a week, 2 weeks later. We blew up the starter motor, but Ryan got an adapter for his corded drill. We put a carburetor, we found the original carburetor, put this piece of plastic from one of those like iced tea cans over the valve cover so it doesn't spray oil everywhere.
I don't know if that was it pulling fuel out the carburetor or the stuff I sprayed in.